Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Now we are going to discuss one topic in mathematics that usually appear in licensure examination for teachers, and that is about percentage. I have here 5 questions that involve percentage. So, ito yung mga tanong na pag-uusapan natin. But before we discuss the solutions of these 5 questions, let us recall first what percentage or percent means. So, literally, kapag sinabi nating percentage or percent, it means parts per 100. So, it is a number that represent a fraction of 100. And it is denoted by the symbol, this one, which means percent. At iisa-isahin po natin ngayon na sagutan yung mga katanungan na pinost ko kanina. So, pwede po kayong maglabas ng papel at lapis at sabayan nyo po akong mag-compute. At kung magiging tama po yung inyong sagot, congratulations po. At kung hindi naman, ay sana makatulong po itong video ko na ito. So, simulan na po natin sa number 1. 20% of what number is 33? A, 145, B, 150, C, 165, and D, 175. So, our first step is to let X be the number. So, yung X, yun po yung ating hinahanap. X is the number that when we are going to multiply it by 20%, the answer is 33. So, we have 0.20 or that is 20% times X equals 33. So, yun po yung ating equation. Now, 0.20 times X, that is 0.20X equals 33. Since ang hinahanap po natin ay si X, we are going to divide both sides of this equation by 0.20. So, we have X equals 33 over 0.20 and that is 165. So, 165 is the number that when we are going to multiply it by 20%, the answer is 33. Next problem, what percent of 60 is 30% of 20? A, 17%, B, 10%, C, 25%, and D, 8.6%. So, if we are going to analyze this question, hahanapin natin yung percent of 60 that is equal to the 30% of 20. So, 30% of 20 is equal to 6 because 30% or that is 0.30 times 20, that is equal to 6. Ngayon, alin po kaya dito sa mga pamimilian ang magbibigay ng 6 kapag iminultiply po natin siya kay 60? 17% times 60, is that equal to 6? 10% of 60, is that equal to 6? 25% of 60, is that equal to 6? And 8.6% of 60, is that equal to 6? So, sa mga pamimilian, only letter B or 10% gives the answer 6. So, letter B is our answer. So, theoretically, kapag gusto po nating makita yung ibang solution, we have this. Let X be the percent of 60. So, we have 60X equals 0.30 times 20. 60 times X, that is 60X. 0.30 times 20, that is equal to 6. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin ay si X. So, we are going to divide both sides by 60. So, we have X equals 6 over 60 or in simplest form, that is 1 over 10. So, yung 1 over 10, ang kanyang decimal form ay 0.1. At itong 0.1, kapag gagawin nating percent, that is 10%. So, 10% is the answer. Third question, Mrs. Maria made 75% down payment for a land property costing 1,200,000. How much more is she going to pay for the property? So, dito, ang hinahanap ay yung balance ni Mrs. Maria. So, meron siyang down payment na 75% of 1,200,000. So, how are we going to solve for her balance? So, ang gagawin natin, we are going to multiply 75% by 1,200,000. So, that is equal to 900,000. Ibig sabihin, 900,000, yun po yung kanyang pauna. Ngayon, papaano natin kukunin yung balance? Ima-minus po natin yung kanyang pauna, which is 900,000, doon sa total cost ng lupa, which is 1,200,000. And the difference is 300,000. So, the answer is letter A, 300,000. Number 4, Perlita spends 20% of her monthly salary for house rental, 15% for electric bills, and 25% for food and personal necessities. After paying all these expenses, she still has 6,000 left. How much did she earn every month? So, sa tanong po na ito, we are going to subtract all the expenses from her monthly salary. So, we have the expenses 20%, 15%, and 25% of her monthly salary. At meron pong matitira na 6,000. So, from 100% of her salary, we are going to subtract the 20%, 15%, and 25% of her salary. So, we have 100% X minus 60% of X, or that is her monthly salary, equals yung tira, which is 6,000. Now, 100% X minus 60% X, that is equal to 40% X equals 6,000. Ngayon, kailangan po nating i-convert yung 40% into its equivalent decimal. So, we have 0.40x equals 6,000. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin ay yung X, yung kanyang monthly salary. So, we are going to divide both sides by 0.40. So, 0.40x divided by 0.40, that is equal to X. Yung 6,000 divided by 0.40, that is equal to 15,000. So, the monthly salary of Perlita is 15,000. And the answer is letter D. And number 5, our last question. The construction of a new production facility cost 450,000 for materials and 640,000 for labor. What percentage of the total cost was the labor cost? So, ito po ay simpleng tanong lang din involving percentage. So, we are just going to divide the labor cost by the total cost of materials and labor. So, let X be the percentage of labor. So, we have X equals 640,000, that is the labor cost, divided by the total of materials and labor cost, which is 450,000 plus 640,000. So, we have 640,000 divided by 1,090,000. At kapag gumamit po tayo ng calculator, ang lalabas ay 0.5872. Ngayon, kapag convert po natin ito sa percent, we are just going to move the decimal point 2 places to the right, and the answer is 58.72. And that is letter A. At yan po ang ating video sa ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Kung inyo pong nagustuhan ang aking video, please don't forget to like and share. And for more videos about Let Reviewers, make sure you subscribe this channel. Pwede rin po ninyong i-click yung bell icon para ma-notify po kayo sa mga susunod ko pong i-upload na videos. Maraming salamat po.